Hello Crafty Familia and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you the video process of how to get this beautiful sunflower with Cricut Infusible Ink and your Cricut Easy Press. The materials you will need are the infusible ink I'm showing you on the pictures, which I'll list down below in the description box. I'll be showing you how to apply it after the cut. Remember, you have to mirror every single image before you send to cut. Before removing the paper with the design, I pick one layer to just peel off the excess. That way I can continue to use the stickiness around it and add the rest of the layers. Now I'm adding my second layer of my image. Remember to take a look at the images to make sure your images match the ones that you have on the same space. material left that you can reuse later on. Because just like iron on, you need to make sure your image are mirror or flipped, so when you place them on your canvas or blank canvas, you have the image right on the right way. When you cut a very thin or very small fonts, you have to make sure you peel it off very careful so you don't rip the paper or the transfer sheet or the iron-on when you're working with iron-on. Don't forget to also add the small pieces and arrange them accordingly. Before you transfer with the Easy Press on your blank canvas, you want to make sure every single piece is in the right place. An important step to avoid any little bumps or small bleeding, to remove any debris. Go to the heat guide, which I will link below in the description box. You select the Easy Press you're using, and you select the material you will be using and which kind of base or canvas you will be applying on. I love that this guide helps you to know the temperature you will use, and also it tells you the time and seconds that you will be setting your Easy Press. Another awesome feature about the heat guide is that it shows you the layers you need to transfer material, whether it's iron-on, infusible ink, or glitter iron-on. It also guides you through the supplies you will need and the preparation. We need a white piece of cardstock paper or 4 layers of butcher paper, which usually comes within the roll of the infusible ink. This is to avoid your transfer sheets from bleeding out through the fabric. It hasn't really happened to me yet, but you never know, and it's important that you follow directions correctly. Make sure you iron a little bit your canvas just to avoid any wrinkles and also just to preheat it, but I am not a really big fan of preheating when using infusible ink just because it will start bleeding or infusing with the fabric right away. So you don't want to apply the design right after you preheat your canvas unless you're sure where you're going to place it. In this case, I waited for my canvas to cool out a little bit because I want to make sure that I centralize or I arrange it accordingly where I wanted it to. For the purpose of this video, I just decided to fast forward this part, but I did wait the 40 seconds required. Carefully remove your butcher paper. What do you think? What have you done with your infusible ink transfer sheets on your Easy Press? Let me know below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.